How to connect PayPal and Wise account. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through guys a step-by-step process on how you can easily connect your PayPal and Wise account. So let's just get right into it. First off, you're going to have to go to your web browser and go to paypal.com to log into your account. Now from your account section here, all you have to do is connect your Wise account's bank or the bank that you've added on your Wise account. So from your home screen, you want to go over to the top of your PayPal account and tap on Get Paid or Pay. So tap on Get Pay and Get Paid, and you'll find this option here. From there, go to the Wallet section and tap on Money. Click on it, and from that, you can scroll down and find the bank's option. So all you have to do is link a new bank account that's connected to your Wise account. Click on the plus icon. Then it's going to ask you to enter your bank details. So just go ahead and enter your bank details and then tap on agree and link. After that, you want to go back to your Wise account. So in order to add that bank account from your Wise, you need to go ahead and click on your balance. So it needs to be on this same currency or basically the same region, because in some region this may not be available. So make sure that both your PayPal and Wise is in the same region and the same currency. Once you have selected your currency, you want to go ahead and click on the receive button over here, and you can easily go ahead and click on it. Click on your GPP account details over here. From this menu, you basically have to copy all of the bank details. It could be local or global depending on your choice. And once you've copied it, you're going to go back here and paste your details. Tap on agree and link. Then it's going to send you a code, so you're going to have to make a small deposit to get the code. It might take a few days, but in many cases, you can get it instantly after making a small deposit. So just go ahead and do that. And as you can see on the Wise account, you can get the PayPal code over here after making just a small deposit of £1. Once you get the code, go back to PayPal and connect it with your account. So just go ahead and click on the same bank that you have just connected. As you can see, the confirmation is pending, and once you enter the code here, the verification and linking should be successful. Tap on confirm, and as you can see here, the Wise Payments has been confirmed and it's been successfully connected with your PayPal account. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.